Imagine this. It's the end of 2025, and you're no longer working a job you dislike. Instead, you're running a successful online business that's giving you financial freedom. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a real possibility. Today, I'll not only show you 5 powerful online business ideas with huge earning potential, but I'll also reveal the roadmap to get you started successfully. So stick around, because the best idea for you might just be the last one. Before we dive into the ideas, let's quickly talk about how to launch a successful online business in 2025. Here's your simple 4-step roadmap. 1. Identify a profitable niche. Look for areas where your interests overlap with market demand. For example, AI, eco-friendly products, or online education are booming in 2025. 2. Build your platform. Decide where your business will live. This could be a professional website, an e-commerce store, or even a strong social media presence. Tools like Shopify or WordPress make this step easier than ever. 3. Market effectively. Use a mix of organic strategies like content marketing and paid strategies like Facebook ads or Google ads to reach your target audience. 5. Focus on retention. Once you have customers, prioritize their experience. A happy customer not only returns, but also brings referrals. Now that you know the roadmap, let's jump into the exciting part. 5 online business ideas with incredible earning potential in 2025. Idea number 1. Specialized e-commerce stores. E-commerce is booming, but general stores are losing their appeal. The future lies in specialized e-commerce stores. Imagine selling eco-friendly pet products, custom fitness gear, or even AI-powered home gadgets. Why does this work in 2025? Consumers are searching for products that cater to their specific needs, and they're willing to pay a premium for quality and uniqueness. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up a niche store is easier than ever. Pro tip: partner with influencers or use TikTok ads to showcase your products to the right audience. Idea number 2. Monetizing micro-communities. People are craving connection, and micro-communities are the answer. This could be an exclusive Facebook group, a Discord server, or a membership site where people pay to join. Think about niche interests like personal finance for millennials, plant-based diets, or gaming strategies. Create value by offering exclusive content, live Q&As, or group coaching. Why this works? As social media algorithms evolve, people are spending more time in niche groups. By charging a subscription fee or selling courses within the community, you can create a steady income stream. Idea number 3. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing is not new, but in 2025, AI is a game changer. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney allow you to offer services like copywriting, graphic design, and even video editing with the help of AI. Example: use AI to generate ad copy for businesses, or create stunning visuals in minutes. This significantly reduces your workload while allowing you to serve more clients. Pro tip: focus on industries that are slow to adopt AI and position yourself as their tech-savvy freelancer. Idea number 4. Digital products with recurring revenue. One-time sales are great, but recurring revenue is the holy grail of online business. In 2025, you can achieve this by creating digital products like online courses, e.g., how to start a successful Etsy store; membership programs, e.g., monthly fitness challenges; software subscriptions, e.g., custom tools for small businesses. Why this works? Digital products scale without significant extra costs. Once you create the product, it can generate income for years with minimal updates. Idea number 5. Crypto opportunities. Crypto is no longer just about trading Bitcoin. In 2025, it's about leveraging blockchain for business. Here are some opportunities. Launching NFTs tied to exclusive memberships or content. Accepting crypto payments to attract a tech-savvy audience. Participating in decentralized finance (DeFi) projects to earn passive income. Why this works? As crypto adoption grows, businesses that incorporate blockchain will have a competitive edge. Plus, platforms like Ethereum are making it easier than ever to build on the blockchain. There you have it, 5 incredible online business ideas and a roadmap to help you take action. Remember, the key to success is starting, even if the steps seem small at first. Which idea inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Let's make 2025 the year of your success.